Engine oil is a crucial component that plays a critical role in the operation and longevity of the engine. It acts as a lubricant to reduce friction and wear between metal parts, helps to clean and protect the engine, and also helps to transfer heat away from hot parts. When selecting engine oil for a car, it is important to consider the following factors. 1. Viscosity grade. The viscosity grade of the oil determines its flow characteristics at different temperatures. 1. It is important to select an oil with the correct viscosity grade for your engine and the driving conditions. 2. API, American Petroleum Institute, rating. The API rating indicates the quality of the oil and its performance in terms of wear protection, high temperature stability, and other factors. 3. Additives. Engine oils contain various additives to enhance their performance and protect the engine. 3. Some common additives include detergents, dispersants, anti-wear agents, and antioxidants. 4. Engine type. The type of engine in your car can impact the type of oil that you use. 4. For example, a high-performance engine may require a different type of oil than a standard passenger car engine. It is also important to follow the manufacturer's recommended oil change interval and to use the correct amount of oil for your engine. Overfilling or underfilling the engine with oil can cause problems, so it is best to consult the vehicle owner's manual or a qualified mechanic if you are unsure. Using high-quality engine oil and following proper maintenance procedures can help to ensure that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently, and can also extend its lifespan. Thanks for watching.